In today's video, I'm going to teach you to cancel CapCut Pro subscription on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you don't get charged again on your next billing date. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and head to your subscription area. This is a good place to confirm that your Pro plan is active and see your current billing status. It's important to know that CapCut itself doesn't let you cancel from inside the app. Because the subscription is billed through Google Play, the actual cancellation happens in the Google Play Store. So close CapCut for now and open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to buy CapCut Pro. If you're not sure, check the account icon at the top right. Tap that profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions and go to Subscriptions. This is where all your active app subscriptions are listed. Find CapCut in the list and tap it. On the CapCut subscription page, tap Cancel Subscription. Google will likely ask you to select a reason for cancelling. Just pick the one that fits and continue. Confirm the cancellation on the final screen. Once you confirm, your CapCut Pro plan will be set to end at the conclusion of your current billing period. You'll still have access to Pro features until that date, and you won't be charged after it ends unless you decide to resubscribe. After cancelling, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Google Play. That message is your proof that the subscription has been cancelled successfully. If you don't see CapCut under subscriptions, double check that you're in the correct Google account. People often have multiple accounts on their device, and the subscription will only appear under the account that purchased it. Also remember that uninstalling CapCut does not cancel your subscription. You must complete the cancellation in Google Play for the charges to stop. A quick recap. Verify your plan in CapCut, then go to the Google Play Store, open your account menu, select Payments and Subscriptions, tap Subscriptions, choose CapCut and hit Cancel Subscription. Confirm the prompt